Give me one. Give me two. Give me two more. Give me three more. Dig them. Give me two. Give me two more. Give me two more. One more. Big hit. Got bit, but it could have been. Give me one. We're looking pretty good. We've hit all the lines. That's pretty clean. Give me two, team. Relax. Get down, get down. Stay down. Give me two. We will be taking a high water line down here. Hold that T-grip in your hand. It might get rowdy. Give me two, team. Give me two more. Give me two. We're gonna hit that wrap. Now I have no choice. Give me two. Give me two. Okay, relax. Take strokes I call. Don't worry about the other rounds. I'm worried about your safety. Give me two. Give me three. Give me three. Dig them. Dig them. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Relax. And it's not where he was supposed to go. He's offline. Give me one. Stop. We're going to spin. Don't worry. Get ready to paddle. Whoa. Lean in. Grab them immediately. Grab the boat. This ain't fun. Grab the boat. Get her. Get her in. Pull her in. This ain't no day, picnic day. You fall out, you grab that blue strap. Big bump. Get up, be ready to paddle. Give me two. Right side, paddle. I'll get y'all up in a minute. We're not gonna pass here. Move up one seat, get up front. You hop where she was. Give me two, team. Get those T-grips in your hand. Give me two, team. Try and not run you over, brother. Yeah, it's gonna get rowdy. Do not tumble out here. Bad place to swim. Give me two now. Give me 2, team. Dig 'em. I really need some power on the right coming up on this next move. Whoa, Fred. Give me 2, everybody. Remember, use your body, not your arms. Give me 2, team. Give me 2 more. Give me 1 more. Give me 3, go. Give me 3 more, dig them harder, keep going. Stop. Backwards 1. Get ready, we're gonna have to make the move now. There is a hazard. All forward, go, pound together, keep going. Keep going. Relax. Relax, don't panic. Good job, team. Give me 3 more, dig up. Big hit, big hit. Stop. Whoa, God. Give me 2 now. Stay in the boat, just relax. Just relax. Don't do anything. Give me 2 now. Stop. We're looking pretty good, honestly. Give me 2. This is double trouble. It's just fluffy fun, nothing to be scared of. Don't paddle. Give me 2 now. This is called squeeze play. I can actually see the rock today. Yesterday it was buried. Give me 2. Give me 2 more. There's the namesake squeeze play rock. Give me 2 more, team. All right, we got some real important strokes coming up. Next rapid is flipper. We're not going to flip, at least that's my team plan. But we are going to have pound through breaking wave for best results. Don't be scared of it, pound through it. Okay, ready, set, give me 3, make them count. Give me 2 more, dig them. You're looking good, good job, team. Give me 2, team. Give me 3 more, team. 2 more for good luck. Looking pretty good. Relax, relax. I may scrub a rock or 2. I'm really not worried about it at this level. Get ready. Give me 2, team. Give me 1 more. Give me 2 more. Give me 2 more. I think I'm gonna pass him. Give me 2. If not, I'm gonna wreck him because I ain't wrecking you. Give me 2 now, team. Lean in, don't tumble. We might have sudden stop. Oh, if it was juicy enough, we did. Big hit, don't fall out, Fred. Just relax, don't bounce. Good job, team. Y'all cleaned that one. The hard part of that run is setting up at the top. Give me 2, team. We're gonna get big old boom. Give me 3. Go, go, go. I might rub a rock. Okay, relax. We made it. All right, don't foul, don't foul. We're gonna get big old splash down here. Don't be worried about it though. It's just fun. And give me 2, dig 'em. 2 more, 2 more. Okay, relax, relax. We're gonna have a big splash right here. Okay, it wasn't big like expected. Still fun. All right, give me 3. We're gonna paddle and get a little momentum to improve our odds. Give me 2 more. Give me 3 more. Give me 2. Give me 2 more. Relax. Big hit. Whoa, that was a salt.